This is a 2018 Winnebago Era, and here is everything you need to know about operating it. First, this is where you turn the coach power on and off. It's just a rocker switch, and when you turn it on, you'll hear a relay underneath this seat switch. Now, the light switches, these are the main ones right here. They just toggle on and off. And if you want to turn everything off, just push the master light and all the lights go off. Now, there are more switches. There's some switches here for the kitchen, and there are more light switches right here. And if you want to turn on the bathroom light, you have to come to this control panel, click the light bulb, scroll over the other way, and click bath. And now the bathroom light is on. And you have to turn it off that way, or you can push the master light. In this one, there's a small battery operated light there. Okay. The next thing you need to know about is water. To turn on the water pump, it's this icon right here, and there it goes. There's a little bit of a delay, so be patient. So now the water pump is on, and you can turn on, the faucets, or the shower, or flush the toilet. After the water pump is turned off, you have about a half a gallon of water that's just pressurized in the system. As long as we're talking about water, this is where you fill it. You just open that cap, and it takes 20 gallons of water. Next, the table. You can set the table up. There's a table leg right here. You just pull it out, and it can go in the floor right here, or you can set it up in back right there. Okay, next, let's talk about the bed. So around back, is the table, and you pull out, the table just slides right up and out. By the way, with the water, the hose for the water is kept right down here in there to fill up the water. But you take the table and you put it in right here. It has a slight triangle shape, and the wide side goes over here. Then you have buttons. See, the sofa's down, but now you can slide that table in, and these cushions come in here and make almost a queen bed. I find the bed very uncomfortable. That's why there's this piece of foam for the middle. All right, the stove. All you have to do is turn it on, push it down, over, and you push this light button. very hard to do with one hand. Both ends light very easily. The middle is a little tough to light. If you really want to use that one, there is a lighter right here. Okay, next, the blinds. All you have to do is go down a little bit, is go down, and then they'll slide it up. When you're driving, you always want the blinds up, otherwise the rattling will make you crazy. The back blind is a little different. You can slide it up, and I don't remember how, but this is also a screen. Like, you slide it the other way and it becomes a screen, and it's kind of nice at night to open up the doors and just have this open. All right, the TV. You can turn this on, and there's some DVDs here. Just put the DVD in and it'll start to play. That's about all I can say about that. There it goes. There's also a extra HDMI cable in here. In here, you can plug it in, then play stuff off your laptop or phone. All right, next, the refrigerator. You just push this button to turn it on. This is a 3-way fridge. It can be on gas, electric, like shore power, or electricity when the van is running. It works really well. If you ever get an error, just turn it off and turn it back on, and you'll be good. One more super important thing is, if something doesn't want to open, like one of these drawers, using force is always the wrong answer. You want to just finagle it, and it will come open. All right, how about draining the sewer? So, important thing here is touch the unlock, click on your levels. So right now the fresh water is 1/3, the gray and black are both empty, and this is your battery levels, then how much gas you have. So this is how to drain the septic. I guess while we're here, here's your gas. This is where you fill the propane. When you fill the propane, turn this knob to off. Okay. So here is the macerator, and the way you drain this is take this blue pipe out, open the end. It has a valve on it. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. All right, so take this, put it put it where the sewer goes, turn it on. Next, there's a black knob. I don't know if you can see it, but right there, pull that out. It comes out maybe 3 or 4 inches. Don't use a lot of force, kind of finagle it. Then hit this drain pump switch, and you'll see the Blackwater drain out. When it is done or close to done, stop. And there's a gray knob right here. Go ahead and pull it out. There, it's out. And I'll put it in. And run the drain again. And then the gray water will go through and kind of clean everything out. When you're done, just roll up the hose, close the hose, roll it up, and you're finished. You can also fill your tank right here. I find it more trouble to fill it here, but you connect the hose right there, and then turn that valve right there, and it will fill the tank. Then turn the valve off when you're done. And it's just a quarter turn. All right, let's look at the heater.